Good day, everyone. I am Dr. Adamir Abdullah, an adult nephrologist in Zamboanga, Sibugay, and I would like to welcome you to Eye Care Dialysis Center, a hemodialysis center here at Artilim Family Hospital in Zamboanga, Sibugay. We would like to welcome you and introduce you to our state-of-the-art facilities, machines, our fully trained hemodialysis nurses, technicians, physicians on duty, and of course you will be attended to by our nephrologists. The Eye Care Hemodialysis Center offers a wide range of services from hemodialysis, complete laboratory packages, medical assistance program for our indigent patients, and of course a quality standard hemodialysis treatment for every dialysis patients availing our services. For inquiries and registration, you may contact our hotline numbers here at Artilim Family Hospital, or you may visit our Eye Care Dialysis Center here at Artilim Family Hospital. Witness our state-of-the-art facilities, watch our videos as we give you a tour of our dialysis center, and we introduce you to our machines and the equipments that we have at Eye Care Dialysis Center. Lastly, the Eye Care Dialysis Center embodies the vision and mission of Artilim Family Hospital, enhancing life, excelling in care. Thank you, everyone.